Prepare yourselves as we are about to reveal 11 profound tips on best grab bars for seniors. Let us embark upon your path to mastery, just at this very moment. Tip 1. Consider the weight capacity of the grab bar. Grab bars should be strong enough to support the weight of the person who will be using them. The Americans with Disabilities Act suggests that bars should be able to hold upwards of 250 pounds. Even if the user doesn't weigh that much, the extra strength accounts for the force they might use to pull themselves up or steady themselves. Tip 2. Choose the correct size. Grab bars come in different lengths from 12 inches to 48 inches. You should choose a bar that will fit comfortably in the space and provide enough area for a person to grip. A longer bar might be more useful in a shower or bathtub area where more stabilization may be necessary. Tip 3. Ensure the bar has a non-slip grip. Even with dry hands, some surfaces can be slippery. It's even more of an issue in the bathroom, where the user's hands might be wet. Look for a bar with an anti-slip grip. Tip 4. Think about the diameter of the bar. The diameter should be easy to grasp. Most bars have a diameter of around 1.25 to 1.5 inches, which fits comfortably in the average hand. However, if the user has a condition like arthritis which may limit hand mobility, a smaller diameter might be easier to handle. Tip 5. Pick an appropriate style and finish. Aesthetics might not be as important as function, but one shouldn't overlook them entirely. A grab bar in a contrasting color to the wall makes it easier to see. Also, pick a style and finish that matches your bathroom to make it less obtrusive. Tip 6. Consider the location and angle of the bar. The bar should be installed where it would provide the most support. Usually for a bathtub or shower, this would be where the user would naturally reach out to steady themselves. Tip 7. Look for ease of installation. Some grab bars are easier to install than others. Suction cup bars, for example, are simple to install but don't offer the stability of bars that are screwed into the wall. Tip 8. Take note of the surface on which you intend to install the bar. Smooth, non-porous surfaces like tiles work well with suction cup bars. However, if you intend to install on a wall or a textured surface, you may need to opt for a screw-in version. Tip 9. Consider the shape of the grab bar. Straight bars are most common, but you can also find L-shaped or U-shaped bars. These shapes may provide extra support and a variety of grasping options. Tip 10. Look for certified bars. Some bars are certified by organizations such as the ADA, Americans with Disabilities Act, or ANSI, American National Standards Institute. These bars have been tested for safety and durability. Tip 11. Remember to regularly check and maintain the bar. Regular checkups ensure that the bar remains secure and stable. This is especially important for suction cup bars, which can lose their grip over time. Check for any signs of wear and replace as necessary to ensure safety.